Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fab's in the house. And today I've got the Spyderco Rubicon here with me for a maintenance because, I mean, this has a pretty weak detent by, itself. And then the action is kind of poor, so you need just to whip it if you want to have decent action, but lots of wiggling. So let's see if it's dirty, if we can improve this action going on, alright? So we're gonna need, let's see, this is probably T6, this is a T10. So we're not gonna need this guy. Right over here we're gonna need a T10, which is this one, for the pivot, which is spinning. Looks like it's not spinning, very good. Actually it's captive, so very nice, appreciate that. Thank you very much. And pin is out. Dual tone pivot screw. Really cool. And this is a nice T6. Yes, it's T6. And it's nice and flush. Really nice, actually. So it shouldn't be too complicated to take this guy down. Because we should be pretty much done, right? Let's see, you want to remove, no, I don't think there's need to remove the other side over here. Okay, look at this. There's some nice skeletonization going on. And you have some stainless steel washers. There's zero lubricant in it. This is a keyed in pivot, which we're gonna leave it there. We're just gonna clean up that stuff, and I think we're gonna be pretty much good to go. So let's use a little bit of this alcohol swab over here to clean this area first. Okay, stop in, don't escape, just stay with us. And it's in again. Nice that they are using, oh, but these are actually pretty thin washers and kind of also bent in a way, so they have kind of like an orientation. Okay, these are stainless steel caged ball bearings going on, so we can use this guy over here, and this is symmetrical, so this can be right over there. Some weight reduction going on over here. These scales, by the way, are simply amazing, guys. Would you look at this scale? I mean, the job they did with this carbon fiber here, oh man. And this inlaid pivot and this polishing here, I mean, come on. Incredible. Like this, centering pins going on, really cool. Guys, spectacular scales. What is less spectacular in this knife is this. Like, I mean, just cut me a little bit more so I can access this. But no, they didn't. So it's all right, I guess. It's pretty hard actually to disengage this lock bar in the Rubicon. A little bit less in the what's the other one? This guy over here. Magnitude, yes. And but this is kind of like a pain. It's not ideal. So let's just clean this area and let's see if at least we can improve the action, because it was quite poor. Let's use our trusty nano oil over here. Let's see. 1, 2, 3. Just a little bit like that is fine. Then we can just pop the blade in like so, and then we're gonna do this bearing over here, and let's do 1, 2, maybe 3 over there, not too much, and just a tiny bit here on the detent ball, like so. There you go. Really, really cool. Then you check the orientation of the washer, which is for sure this one, because it's kind of like bent in a way, because they over tightened this pivot 100%. And then you have nicely keyed in, say, standoffs inside this G10 backspacer. And this is it, guys. And we've got the handle screw right over here, which is in. Let's just leave it not too tight. We're gonna tighten that a little bit later. And this guy also is in. Pretty straightforward so far. Okay, very good. All right, change T10 in. Let's use a little bit, why not, of this pretty weak Loctite over here. There was some white stuff before. And this guy is in. Still some blade play. Still some. Oh yeah. Let's see here. Still a little bit. Now it's almost gone. Guys, this like... Oh, okay. Let's see. I mean, the lock is... the lock bar is pretty bad. Like really, really bad. But at least now it drops kind of like easily. Oh, it's super hard to disengage. Let me see, blade center. It is a little bit off center. Like this, maybe. Oh, yeah, but it's it has improved a lot. Oh yeah, now you can feel it. Very good, guys. We improved the action of the Spyderco Rubicon. Pretty proud. It's centered, no blade play, and it's good to go. So there you have it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned.